Hey, what's up guys? Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new episode. In today's episode we are going to replace the front suspension on the E90. Yeah, I did hear some noises in the front when I was turning the wheels. Yeah, and I bought a complete set for the front of the car. Yeah, and we are going to replace everything: control arms, lower control arm, upper control arm, sway bar links I think are called. Yeah, but did we win the 440i? And the answer is no. I put a bid on that car for 20,000 euros, and the last bid was 22,000 euros, and the seller wouldn't accept that bid. So I don't think it's worth buying that car, because I think with 30,000 euros, something like that, you can buy a good one without a damage. Yeah, I know that car has a lot of options. It's 2019, it is the LCI model, but anyway, so sadly we didn't won that bid. The E91 is sold, yeah, it's gone, and now in this episode we are going to prepare the E46 to be sold, because I didn't know what to do to sell the car or to keep it for the channel. But now it's settled, yeah, the car will be sold. So anyway, no more talking, let's start replacing the suspension on the E90. I have a kit in here, a set, yeah, with the control arms, and I'm not sure how this one are called. Anyway, for the left and for the right, I have in here the other one, yeah. So we are going to replace everything in this side and on the other side, because I heard some noises, and I just want to replace everything, and I know for a fact that everything is new and I will not have any problems anymore. So anyway, we are going to replace, we are going to take the wheel off, and I'm going to try to work from under the car. I think it's going to work way faster. So let's begin. Now from under the car we've removed the plastic cover from underneath. Yeah, we have access to bolts. We are going to start with the lower control arm, and for that we are going to use an 18mm socket. Oh yeah, now you can see 18mm socket for this one. As you can see, it's almost out. We are going to use a 21mm socket for this nut, and a I think 30 T40, yeah, check this out, for the inside, yeah, T40 for the inside, something like that, yeah. Okay, and with 21, something like this. It's out. Whoa, check this play out. Now this one, we have the new one, the replacement is right in here. As you can see, the same piece. Yeah. Maybe here you can see now. Yeah, that's why you need the torque for the inside of the bolt. There's something like this. And you get the torque. Now that's done, we are going to replace the upper control arm now. The same method, yeah. We have the 21. The T40 in here on the inside, yeah, see that? Anyway, I'm going to undo this, and here on top we have a 18mm or 17 here bolt, and that's about it. The upper control arm is fully installed, the lower control arm as well. We are going to replace now the, I think, are the anti-roll bars. I'm not sure how this one are called in English. And the original ones, you have to have a 16 spanner, yeah, 16, and a 17 for the inside, something like this. And you have to be careful because sometimes it must be under the, it might be under tension, yeah. So this one is done. We are going to leave one thread in here, and we are going to undo the upper one, and after that we are going to take this out. After I undone the nut from top, yeah, I've put a jack under the whole assembly in order to take the tension out of this anti-roll bar. Yeah, we can take the nut out, and this, yeah, something like that, and it's out. And you can clearly see this is in pretty bad shape. And I've noticed that all the suspension is original, yeah, BMW original. We can see in here Germany, and somewhere on the other side I saw BMW logo. Anyway, this is 10 years old, and now we're going to replace everything with new parts, yeah. And just like that, we have new suspension, lower control arm, upper control arm, and the sway bar link is new as well. And we are done in here. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side, and the car should be like new. And just like that, we've replaced everything, both sides, yeah, except for this one, because check this out, from new it broke, yeah. So I have to order a new one, but other than that we are done on this side as well. Upper control arm, lower control arm, and the sway bar link, we need to wait a few days, but that I can replace easily, and we are done. And just like that, we are done with the e90, yeah. Both of the wheels are with new control arms, everything, yeah. And now let's go on the other side of the house and prepare the E46 to be sold, yeah. I've parked the E46 in here, yeah. From there, from the backyard in here, we are going to start the car to leave it a little bit running and to warm up, because the car was sitting for a few months, I think. I wasn't sure if I want to sell the car or if I want to keep it for the channel, but now I'm sure that I want to sell it. Yeah, starts right up. We don't have any kind of error, everything is okay with this car, so we are going to sell this car. What I've noticed is that the tires on the back are like new, yeah, we have a lot of tread, everything is okay, but in the front not that much, yeah, see that. And I'm not sure if I'm going to install the other wheels. I have another set of wheels with better tires, but I'm not quite sure. Anyway, the car is here. I'm going to make an announcement that I want to sell the car, and let's hope in a few days the car will be sold, yeah. And these are the wheels that I want to put on the E46, but I'm not sure, yeah. The wheels are in very good shape, yeah, no scratches, nothing. The tread on the tires, it's better than what we have on the car now. I'm going to replace one wheel in order to see if it's going to fit the pattern, yeah, because these are from an E90 and the other car is E46. I'm pretty sure it's going to fit, but let's try now. And it's done. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think I'm going to swap all the wheels because, like I've said, the tires are better on these wheels, but I noticed the camber is not right on this car. I'm not sure if you can see that, the wheel is like towards inside, yeah, a little bit, and it's too much, sticking too much outside in here. I'm not sure why. Yeah, of course we have to set the steering wheel angle, or how these are called. But now I'm going to swap every wheel, and this car will be for sale. And with all of that being said and done, I'm going to finish everything in here. We are going to put this car for sale. The E90 is already for sale, and I have some offers. I might sell it, but I'm going to give you update in the next episode. Yeah, I have a lot to do this time. That's why I'm posting so far apart between the videos. Yeah, but everything will be settled, and after that I'm going to show you everything, and I'm going to update you on everything. So pretty much that's about it for today's episode. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.